Hi everyone. Yeah, just wanted to share a recruitment workflow I have built for one of our clients. So to give you a little bit of context, yesterday I shared a LinkedIn post where I explained the how I have built a signal based workflow for one of our recruitment clients that targets international companies posting job postings in Brazil, right? So this workflow can be replicated for any country, right? So the ideal profile we were looking for was like headquartered, the company headquartered outside Brazil. They're hiring for senior or strategic roles like VP, head of marketing, and roles like that, right? Then roles requiring English or Spanish fluency, right? Then first hires in Brazil, or they should have only a few postings in specifically Brazil. Uh, it should be it should be ideal. Like the ideal industry should be maybe tech, SaaS, or oil and energy, right? So these are the ideal profile, you could say, characteristics we were looking for. So the step one would be like finding the job openings from different platforms. So LinkedIn, Indeed, Greenhouse, or Glassdoor, things like that, based on the matching, based on our criteria. Then after finding the job postings, we will use Enrich company in Clay to get their headquarter location, number of employees, LinkedIn, company LinkedIn, and industries. Right. Then we filter out companies who are already established in Brazil. Right. We get the employee headcount in Brazil specifically, and then we'll find the funding history, like if they are recently funded startups, or and then we'll find the decision makers. Right. So let's deep dive into it. So this is the entire step-by-step process, right? So first we are going to see how we can get all the job openings, right? So to get all the job openings in Brazil, I have basically used three sources. One is of course uh, LinkedIn job openings, right? So here I have edit all the job titles. So these are the job titles we are looking for. And then a maximum days since post date was like maybe 30 days, or you can put 15 days, or maybe 10 days, right? So for this, I have put 30 as a maximum days. Now we get all the job openings from LinkedIn, right? So we get job title, location, posting date, right? So this is using Clay. Then we also did you could say script job postings from Indeed as well. So here as well we get job title, location, company name, job URL, right? And then what we do is like we use a formula to figure out like if this job title is matching with the job title we have, right? So that is job title fit. Then the another source we use is Glassdoor. So we also used Glassdoor to scrape all the job postings in Brazil. So it gives a similar data, job title, location, job URL, right? Posting date, and then we run the formula, right? So the first step is done. We scrape jobs from LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor, right, with all the criteria. Then we extract all the relevant info, which is like what are the hiring job titles, company website, job LinkedIn URL, and company name. Now we move to the third step, which is entering the company, right? So here I have used Apollo because I have a Apollo API key. You can use Clay Enrich company as well. Right. So using this domain name, we enrich the company and got company LinkedIn, number of employees, right? Industry, and then headquarter location. Now, using this headquarter location, uh, we used a formula. So if the headquarter location is not Brazil, just say yes. So this tells us like if company is like based in Brazil or not, right? So if company is not based in Brazil, we get a yes. We got industry as well. So using the formula, we can again check if it is a tech company or SaaS or energy, right? So we got the industry as well. Now, if we move to the third step, we wanted to check if number of employees in Brazil is less than 100 or not. Right. Now, this is a bit tricky because I've used find employee hand count by country as well, but it is not giving us the like accurate results. Right. So what I did here is like just to show you. Let's say if I open this up, So when I open this up, as you can see, complete LinkedIn URL. So let me show you the homepage. Yeah. So this is the complete LinkedIn page, right? Now, if we go to people section, we get slug at the end as a people, right? Now, if you want to check how many employees do they have in Brazil, we can just type. Uh, we can just type Brazil here. Yeah. So as I put Brazil, we get this. You could say facet geo region equals to something like ID, something like that, right? So similarly, if we put maybe any other country, let's say let's put United Arab. Yeah. So as you can see, the facet geo region equals to this. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is nine-digit ID. So these nine-digit ID changes, right? So what we can do here in Clay is like we can put Brazil here and get this nine-digit ID, which is 106057119, right? And using this ID, we can create complete LinkedIn URL for each company, right? So let me show you how I did it. Yeah. So the LinkedIn company URL will remain same. We just need to add this people facet geo region equals to 106057119. So this is the Brazil geolocation, you could say ID, right? So we get the, you could say, Brazil employee count ID for each company, or complete LinkedIn URL for each company, right? Now we can like visit the page and we can like just get the Brazil headcount, which is associated numbers, right? Now we can do this manually, but there is an automated way as well, in which you can just like using browser flow. You can give these URLs, right? And browser flow will visit the company LinkedIn page one by one, and it will extract these associated numbers, right? So maybe I will record another video to show you how we can do it in automated way. But for now, we I'm just showing you how you can do it manual way, right? So once we have the company headcount, sorry, Brazil headcount less than 100 must be moved to the next step, which is getting the funding history. Yeah. So again, using the collision. So this is the prompt we are using to get the funding history, right? So we just wanted to get the funding announced date, right? Funding round, like it is a pre-seed, seed, series A, and if if it is possible, we get the funding amount as well, right? So these are the three fields we need from the funding history. You could say prompt, right? And then the last step would be again to find relevant decision makers. So we use again Clay for find people enrichment. Here we put all the, we could say, relevant job titles that we are looking for, right? And once we get these leads, or you could say relevant decision makers, we find their email IDs, right? And we can use these, like all these insights in a cold outreach or cold call, or maybe LinkedIn outreach, right? So yeah, this is how the entire, you could say, workflow that targets international companies hiring in Brazil.